So what we have for today is Swiss franc JPY. If you are yet to be a subscriber and you've not subscribed, make sure you do so right now. So when we take a look at this movement, we can see that this Swiss franc JPY has actually given us this massive move. So what next do we expect? For the next day, which is for the 16th of February, we should be expecting a drop on this Swiss franc JPY. I'm going to give you multiple reasons why we'll be expecting such move. First, this is actually a level here we should not ignore. We can see that this is kind of like a level where price once got to this level. We had a rejection at this level multiple times. Same thing with this level. Price has once given us a rejection at this level. So now prices at this level, what do we expect? We are expecting a rejection at this level. That is one. Second, we can see that this is kind of like a massive move upward. Definitely a correction needs to play out, and one of the ways we can be getting that correction is at this key level. So we will be expecting a correction at this level. That is true. If you have to take a look at this your JPY index, right, you will see that we once had a rejection at the same level. Same thing with this level again. We once had a rejection, and again a rejection played out. So prices at the same level. What we are expecting next is actually a rejection. So if we manage to get a rejection which will be bullish, then definitely any pairs will be trading to JPY needs to drop. So another reason that if JPY index goes bullish, then we will be expecting a drop on this Swiss franc to JPY. So now let's see what this for our time frame is actually saying. So what is the possible level we will be expecting a pullback to? I personally am watching out for this level. At least price to actually come to test this level. This is what I am watching out for. Maybe then Swiss franc to JPY can continue its bullish move. Now let's see this Fibonacci. You can see this Fibonacci. Possibly retracement level. You can see it at a level of 23.6 or a level of 38.2. So these are the two levels where pullback is very much likely to play out, which is a level of 23.6 and a level of 38.2. But let's opt for a level of 23.6. That should be giving us about 180 pips, which is still not bad by the way. So we should be expecting a pullback or a bearish move for the next day, at least 100 plus pips on Swiss franc JPY. Now to those that are yet to become our Patreon subscriber, this is a trade we actually took today, which is natural gas. You can see it for the 15. We aim to set to a level of 2.460. So price is close to that level. We've hit about 70% of this our target. We have about 20% or 30% for us to actually hit the remaining targets. So yesterday we did not take any trade, which was on Tuesday, due to CPI. We actually decided to stay out of the market to preserve our capital in order not to be taken out. We all know a lot of liquidity tends to play out during this period. On Monday, we took a trade which was Nasdaq 100. So we got the trade, we hit the level. This is the trade of the week, which is USD Singapore dollar. We've actually hit that level and gotten to that level. So for the next day, which is for the 16th, I'm also going to be putting out a trade for the day, which is for tomorrow, a trade that we'll be looking out for. So if in case you're interested, I'll put the link in the comment section. Just become one of our subscribers so you'll be able to get better updates instead of taking a trade, blowing up your accounts. Once you just have to do is click on the link below, become one of these subscribers, and you'll be able to get better updates. Right.